Ange and I just rolled up to this cabin, which is known as Fir Inn. Used to have a sign right across the door there that said Fir Inn, nice carved sign. Anyways, known about this place for like 10 plus years, literally since I was in high school. Yet I could never really track down exactly where it was. I knew it was kind of Ladies Miscellaneous area, but didn't know the exact location. Then first came here about a year, 2 years ago. Once I tracked it down, it's completely open now. There's like pretty much a brand new logging road. You'll see in the rest of the video, like right above here, that you can drive right in from the logging road, 20 feet. Before it was this tiny quad trail. You can see Ange down there texting or something. I don't know, looking like she's peeing like a guy. I don't know. It was originally just a little quad trail in here. So something like this big chunk of steel wouldn't have been able to get in here. So yeah, like I was saying, used to have a sign right here that said Fir Inn. I guess somebody's either stolen that, or maybe the person that helped put this cabin together came and grabbed it before it got totally vandalized. Hopefully I have some older photos I can throw up on the screen to show. Anyways, not 100% sure on the history of this place. Judging by the fact that it just came from a quad trail, I'm thinking that it was just like a hunter's cabin that they put together. It's kind of cool. They've used like old carpet, old red shag carpet as insulation within the logs. And then inside has been like burnt, and it's just falling apart due to rain and snow and everything around it. People have tried putting up a tarp, but it's not really helping. You can see all these holes in the roof. Original wood. 1998. Fire pit there. Or not really a pit. Fireplace, barbecue, whatever. People have thrown junk all about. Once again, hopefully I can still find the photos that I've seen of like back in the day of how it looked. Because there's some good ones where there's like an actual pretty decent bed inside here and all these tools. Although it like kind of almost looked like someone either was actually living here at one point, or people just kept it stocked for when they're hunting, or I don't know how old this place is. Potentially even mining back in the day. I don't know. I think the oldest, so you got 95 there. The oldest like graffiti or little things people write is kind of in the 90s. I don't think I've seen anything older than that. So, and can't really find anything online that talks about this place at all. I guess in the base was originally like logs going across, and either it's getting rooted up here or the floor itself used to be higher up and it's just collapsed around the sides. Right here is really poking through. Wow, the lighting in here is terrible for videoing. So cool though, like obviously it's completely rotten, falling apart, but the effort that was once put in. Can't tell if the moss is growing on it or if moss was placed on top as insulation and shelter from the environment, but crazy. Also flexed out like a total Jeep guy right here. Unintentionally, just didn't realize I was right on the rock when I stopped. Wow, flex, bro. Other than the cabin itself, there's a little outhouse over this way that I'll go check out. Oh. Yeah, exciting. really, you know, not a whole lot here. Don't know much on the history of this place, so limited information I can give you. Just solid to like finally come here after all these years. Second time here, of course. First time there are other people here, and I was by myself, so it wasn't. I was kind of in and out. This time, you know, and she can take selfies or whatever she's doing, and then just taking the nice weather. Last time I was here, it was fall or winter, and it was just kind of gloomy and didn't look as nice. The inside of the cabin itself was still like wet. Now we're here midday and the sun's coming through these massive trees and just looks so cool. If this road down to the cabin wasn't here, it'd probably be pretty hard to find one, because even though they have that brand new logging road right above, it's still kind of enclosed, and being older cabin, it blends in really well with the trees and everything. Yeah. How you doing?
Good. Yeah, my pants broke.
Oh.
The zipper broke.
So can we what?
Can we redo that reel?
Just taking a quick little walk down the old quad trail here. See if might be anything else that's built up. Another outhouse or something? I don't know. Anyways, you get the gist. Simple quad trail. It's kind of funny because, like I said, there's not much online that you can find out about this cabin, which is kind of a good thing, other than if you see the odd person on Instagram post that they're having a bonfire here sign. But on YouTube, there's like one video from almost 10 years ago or something like that, and this guy's taking this like Chevy, what are they, S10s or whatever, the little pickup trucks, or maybe it's a Jimmy, might be a GMC Jimmy or something like that, Chevy Blazer. Anyways, it's like totally stock, and they bring it through this quad trail to get to the cabin before the logging roads were in place. That's pretty much all you can find when you're trying to find this place. And I'm pretty good at my research. Drove right into the tree and just dropped.
It's too fast for me.
See how we just cut her to the right like that?
Well, don't you just need a new blade or something?
Huh?
You need a new blade?
Yeah, but no,
In 1 year, he has crashed 3 drones. Maybe he needs...
Calm down.
It's basically... You need a new... bug.
So that's about all we have. Gonna redo some TikTok reels for Miss Angela, and pretty much, yeah, hang out for a bit. There's one other place I might con her into going to, just because I know about a bypass nearby of a beach I've always wanted to go to along the river. Anyways, other than that, if you enjoy this type of stuff, I hate being this guy, but if you enjoy off-roading, camping, abandoned stuff in the bush, like and subscribe. Comment what you want to see more of. Destination X on Instagram, YouTube, AMG Adventures on Instagram.
Don't do that.
Yeah, that's about it. Cool.
Yay.
Thanks for watching. Bye.